Alright, here we go. Gamestop in 5 minutes or less. So, we got overnight trading here Sunday, West Coast time. It's 9:12 p.m. But overnight trades started 5 p.m. West Coast time, 8 p.m. East Coast time. Almost right away, GameStop was up 20% or so, 27 bucks. Dropped down a little bit, then bumped right back up to 27.58. Since it's an overnight venue, you're only allowed about 20% trading range from the closing price reference of $22.99 yesterday. So as soon as it topped out about that, it stopped trading. About 700,000 shares traded overnight so far. So tomorrow morning when it opens, I'm assuming it should open substantially higher. They completed their sale of shares last week and raised about 933 million. And before, when they announced the initial sales of shares, GameStop was about 31 bucks, dropped all the way down to 18 at the low. As you can see right here, go on the 1 week, go on the 1 month. So before everything, it was 18 bucks, and then it was 20, spiked up to like 60, 80. And a lot of that was pre-market action, because when the shorts really get taken out, it's in the pre-market. And then right about there's when they announced the share sale, and it was 31, and then it dropped down to 20 pretty much, and then it rolled. And then that week, Thursday was really weak, a week and a half ago, and then it dropped all the way to 18 before spiking up when they announced the share sale completed. And so with the overnight already just way up, and the volume's a little off. Looks like the there we go, 27.58 again. Yeah. So since it's spiking already, I imagine once 1 a.m. rolls around, 1 a.m. West Coast, 4 a.m. East Coast, and then of course 4 a.m. West Coast or 7 a.m. East Coast when U.S. trading can trade on these. I'm assuming they're going to start skyrocketing because you have Roaring Kitty, who announced that he's got this 116 million bet and will come over to the news of the day. Roaring Kitty, the big name behind GameStop, the meme Saga, on Sunday night revealed he owns 115.7 million worth of shares in GameStop. And then he's also got a large position, about 67.5 million in call options that expire on June 21st. A $20 strike price that he paid about $5 for. So as long as it's 25 or over, he's even on those. But every dollar above, and so that is what then caused everything to spike. And it's funny because you go to Robinhood and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. They've already got like 6 or 7 news articles on it. But I'm assuming this is going to start spiking huge as soon as morning trading comes and it's allowed to jump up more and more. And then you have another one, the second of the meme stock favorites, AMC. And this one versus GameStop last week. So like last Tuesday and Wednesday, this was trading about 5:30, and then on May 29th, Kramer said you might as well sell all your shares of AMC and get away. And then there was another downgrade or something, and Kramer was saying, Jim Kramer, Mad Money, whatnot. And any which way, AMC from May 29th went from 450 all the way down to about 407 Friday before it spiked up with pretty good volume in the end of the day, about 8 to 10 million volume, which it was really weird because like on Tuesday and Wednesday there's like 100 million volume days, and then AMC spiked from $5 all the way down to 4. It was only like 30 or 40 million selling. So this is another one because when GameStop spiked last time, AMC went from $3 to $4 up to 12 overnight. So if GameStop explodes, then you're gonna expect AMC to go up, and of course some of the other ones like Tupperware, and then you got Cost, and then you got SunPower, And then you got quite a few of the other ones, but AMC and GameStop were the main ones. Yeah, we're at 5 minutes, so we'll end the video.